Hello, this is Tash Tyres. I've got a Fiat Panda here on a 55 plate, which is 2005-2006. Just doing a drive belt on this. I know this is on the ramp, so it's quite easy for me to do it. But if you're going to do it on the roadside, you might have a bit of a problem. But if you did do it, make sure your car is secure. You've got stands and everything else underneath the car, so the car just doesn't drop on you. All you need to do is remove the driver's side front wheel. When you remove that, you've got this cover here, which is held by two little screws right there. So you need to remove the two little screws. You need a 15mm spanner and the new belt. Now the 15mm spanner would go right onto the tensioner there, as you can see. And the belt itself, as you can see from the images right here, is badly damaged, and that's the part number of the old one. But I've got a new one right there. And to do it, I'll just show you. You just hold it right there. Now all you do is get the spanner in there and tension it backwards, so like this. Once you get it tensioned, you gently remove the belt, slowly remove it. The old one's out. I will show the procedure how to put it on. I know how to put it on, so I won't show you the procedure now, but in the video I will show you the procedure. Now I've got the new one right here. So what I'd now do is I slot it onto the alternator, make sure it slots in right, and then go over the tensioner onto the water pump, and then onto the tensioner. Once I get it onto the tensioner, I then hold the belt in place and then move the tensioner backwards, which is like this again. So I'll hold it, get more leverage, and that's it. That's all you got to do on the car. If you did want to do the drive belt yourself, which takes only a couple of minutes to do, but sometimes, you know, there can be seized, or the tension can be seized. All you do is just make sure it goes back and forward nice and easy with a full tension. And then when you remove the belt, check the alternator pulley, make sure there is no play in it and there's no whining noise, as well as the water pump and the crank pulley. Obviously you can't move the crank pulley, but you can see side to side play if it's got any. And that's it. That's all you got to do in the car. And do watch, I've got the other, I'll add a video of the routine if you've got an aircon pump on the car or not, and then do watch that as well. Rightio, I've got the routine here for you for the belt. It's a drive belt. Now if you've got basically a Fiat Panda right there, that's the car model and everything else from year as well, 2003 to 2011, with that engine code is 2003 to 2013. If you did do a drive belt on this, it's quite a simple procedure, as you saw in the video. Now the few things you want to know, the routine for the drive belt. So if you've got aircon pump, which is that one right there, or if you don't have no aircon pump, just got the water pump and the alternator and then crankshaft pulley right there, that's how it goes. That's all you need to do. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Any more information you require, do let us know and we'll try helping you as much as we can. Like the video. Thank you. Goodbye.